Hi, welcome to SAP BI Security Training sponsored by Global Online Trainings. Here, my name is Namrata and I'm working at Global Online Trainings and I'm here to give brief overview on what exactly SAP BI Security Training is all about, prerequisites, learn these modules, etc. Before moving to that, I just want to give quick overview on Global Online Trainings, who we are, what exactly we do. To give an overview, Global Online Trainings is a leading training service corporate specialized in providing online trainings and corporate trainings to individuals and enterprises. Our, uh, our high quality, competitive and effective training services makes us the best in the field. Our professional team carries excellent instructional experiences through many years and understands the complexity of the technologies and methods of the training delivery. We provide the training with subject matter experts who has good experience in their primary skills current and have more tutors in all the technologies. So for online trainings and corporate trainings, we provide trainings for below technologies like SAP for all modules, Oracle all modules, SAS all modules, IBM tools, Microsoft applications, web technologies and other technologies, midware technologies. And here the next slide goes to SAP BI training introduction. SAP BI training security at Global Online Training provides knowledge on central applications at SIP to track and control all kinds of business process. Although design is subsequently developed over many years to monitor logistic process in the supply chain, it is able to provide visibility of any kind of business process because of its genetic design. SAP BI security training is attended by the subject matter experts and the tutorials prepared by these expert industry aligned tuitions are made with latest industry updates. SAP BI security training classes are available for the individuals as well as for corporate batches on demand. Call the help desk for the more information for online SAP security training and its details. And the next slide goes to BI security training overview. SAP BI security training is is raw data that an organization has an application used for giving meaning. The the SAP BI security training is applied with business logic to be useful for enterprises users to make better business decisions and raw data is cleansed, stored. The SAP BI security makes business decisions and which is efficient and easy to analyze. The SAP BI security training during all companies create data about customers, business and activities, internal activities and supplies which the data warehouse construct varied set of tools and while reporting these tools like web application designer analysis and query designer, the different source system the data from loads to create reports which displays the data constraints and majorly used by the data wiring for the analyzer purpose. And next slide goes to who is using SAP BI security training. In military industries, fulfillments including productions, delivery, and billing. In high tech, SAP BI security training are and visibility for logistic execution in retail, in the international sea transportation, including customer process, automotive return process, and in the telecommunication procurement including transportations and invoicing, chemical milling industries, rail car management, etc. Coming to the next, the prerequisites to learn SAP BI security training. In SAP BI security, data varying concepts of all attending should have a basic knowledge and knowledge of procurement, sales and distribution, and transportation process flow and documentation. Coming to the next slide, this is syllabus we are going to be covered. In chapter 1, modeling. In modeling, there are data source, rules for transfer, info, info source, info rules, extra. In chapter 2, master data and transaction data. In transaction data, extraction of LO, extraction of FI, data source of enhancement. In chapter 3, reporting. In reporting, columns, free characteristics, rows, filter, new sections, new formulas, and extra. And coming to the next slides, we are going to discuss about benefits of the SAP Business Intelligence training. Uh, the benefits like time saving with self-services, BI, and streamlined exploiting, reporting, and sharing. Great availability, great availability to access and analyze data without IT involvement. Fast and more collaborative, discuss making, and etc. Coming to the next slide, scope and opportunities of a career in the SAP BI security training. Once a certification in SAP BI security is earned, candidates can enjoy several promises career opportunities. The scope of this field is to constant growing, and the certification candidates are prepared with the prospects of working with the reputed companies that have a global importance. One of the most popular opportunities lies in the consultancy field, wherein experts in SAP BI security is a must. And coming to the next slide, the SAP BI security training highlights. Coming to the highlights, tight BW integration for reporting, reacted expert events that are not reporting, ensure events and measuring against where are experts to occur, provide visibility on status, location, partners across process. Coming to the next one, it's about the business challenging address. Few of the challenging addresses have been listed below. They are a worker process to share information inside or outside the organization, limited resource and budgets for the supporting BI, lack of accessible or easy to use BI tools for the business users, and time intensive manual process to consolidate data and create reports, graphs, charts, and dashboards, lack and outdated or limited information available, hampering information discussion making. Coming to the next slide, it's about the SAP BI security training outline. Coming to the SAP BI security courses, they have 35 hours duration, and we provide online virtual classes and corporate classes according to your one's flexibility. Timings can be arranged, and we provide the system access. The coming to the batches, there are regular batches, weekend batches, and fast track batches. And they will be get the soft copies of materials in the form of PDF to Word, and session will be conducted through WebEx or GoToMeeting or Skype. The basic requirements of the users are good internet speed and headset. And step to register to SAP BI training at the global online trainings. Just type www.globalonlinetrainings.com in any of the web browsers. You will find the global online training page at the top. You have the requested demo, then click on the requested demo. And next, fill the contact fill the details to contact us from form and click on send option. And next, you have also have a leave a message to use this pop-up box at the bottom of the left corner on the website, and fill the details and send. Coming to the next, if you want more information about SAP BI security, then log on to www.globalonlinetrainings.com/SAP BI security training. And if you contact us on call, just call to 4060501418. And if you want to drop a mail, then email us on info@globalonlinetrainings.com. Thank you.